Now, the other thing you can do with deep questioning is to take a customer somewhere they've never been before, or they're really only dreaming about. So, Mr. Customer, you're having all these problems with your deliveries. Describe to me what it would be like if all of your deliveries were on time. Oh wow, it'd be really fantastic. We would not be spending so much of our time chasing deliveries. We could get on with our normal jobs. Wow, and what would that mean to you? I'd be so happy. It's a headache, and it's a headache I don't want. I actually want to grow this department, not be firefighting all the time. Yeah, I can see that. So what would it mean to the company if you could sort out these delivery problems? Well, it would be great, because at the moment there's a certain amount of refunds that we have to do. It's awful, and it can sometimes be as much as 8 or 10%. If we could get it right down, then it makes a huge difference to the bottom line. Oh, gosh, so that would be something you'd be interested in? Oh yes, absolutely. And what about you personally? Well, if we could do this, then I guess I might be able to demonstrate to my manager how much better I'm doing at the job, and hey, that could even mean promotion, I suppose. All right then, so if we can help you achieve that, is that something you'd be interested in? Yeah, I think it is. So you've got a choice with this sort of questioning. You can take them down, or you can take them up. It depends which is stronger. Is it their problem that's stronger, or is it their goal, their dreams that is stronger?